I just heard about the tragic incident.
My Nigerian people don't bring no bunga Bishop news story. My name Nanehi. And make a sharply yarn on a story we say it just happened. The uncle of Salome Adiadu, where the boyfriend Timileyin Ajayi be brutalized, the uncle don't come out to come the yarn. They say they want justice to say because Timileyin don't succeed to destroy their own daughter and then cut her body more than into 50 pieces. Come put all of them for different 6 polythene bags. As in come the yarn. Say what they want. Now justice.
We are expecting justice from the police. He has succeeded in destroying our daughter. Not ordinary killing, he butchered her into pieces. He cut that body into more than 50 pieces. And when you look at the whole thing, he's preparing that body for consumption.
The Bauchi State Local Police Command the doctor arrest 2 suspected armed robbers that will go thief as they catch them with gun with some other things they will see the thief talizer. We made the gun they confess. Say they buy the gun for one place where they inside Akeleri local government area. Can't use the gun go thief for Gwalaga and also behind NIDB area of Bauchi State. This student of University of Lagos one name be Oluwakemi Shola Emmanuel wey be say she carry placard come enter street to go dey beg for money for school fees. She don finally come graduate and now on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, now she come post these pictures and videos on top her social media. Come dey thank God and everybody wey be say they support her as she take go through from 100 level and 200 level until where she come graduate for final year. Salome Adiadu wey the gospel singer wey be Timileyin Ajayi be brutalized. They don't finally come bury her during the week and they bury her with the different pieces of her body with Timileyin be cut into pieces. Come put them for inside different bags. Now for inside Nasarawa State, now they bury her. The Federal High Court wey dey for inside Abuja don come grant Nigerian singer wey be Darlington Achabo aka Speed Darlington bail with 20 million naira and one shorty on Wednesday, January 15, 2025 after when he don plead say he no dey guilty for the 2 count charges them. And na bona him be arrest am say because he talk about against am on top social media. One man don come dey cry as him come dey yarn. He say fire don burn their house during wey be say him with him wife dey go church before they come back. Ogbonge fire don come burn everything wey dey for inside the house. Come dey yarn say even him neighbor sef wey travel with him wife say before they come back, so na so the fire come burn all their house. Say na the only children dem na him dey for house and this fire happen for inside Kefi, Nasarawa State. As they come dey thank God say nobody actually poof by on top this fire gbege. The Chief of Defence Staff will be General Christopher Musa on Tuesday, will be January 14, 2025. Doc on the talk. So after we they arrest the self-claimed IPOB leader, will be Simon Ekpa for inside Finland. Say they don't notice say the kasala and the buffy where the apple for inside Southeast. Say don't reduce well. The All Progressive member don't can donate 12 cars then we worth about 86.4 million naira to APC leaders then for inside Kano with 200,000 naira each to 10 polling unit leaders them. We cost reach about 2 million naira. After we Colombo police don't arrest the gospel singer will be Timileyin Ajayi, say because he poof by in girlfriend will be Salome. This lady don't come out to come dey thank God though, say because now she Timileyin for almost a brutalized, say because Timileyin don't they invite her to come in house, so 2 of them go sing together, which she call her karaoke singing. Say but because say she dey very busy, now make body no carry her, they go Timileyin house. As she can show some evidences of the chat where she with Timileyin be the chat.
Like, thank God for my life because maybe I would have been a victim. So I went to his DM and I said I'll be interested in the karaoke, and he sent the address to me and invited me to come over to Oruzo. Thank God for my life because he was calling me every day. Here is a screenshot of the chat, the short one I made on WhatsApp. He even sent a message to me on WhatsApp.
The Ogun State Calabar Police Command on Monday, January 13, 2025, don arrest 2 young men dem wey be say their name be Okpeyemi Ibrahim and Dimeji Bakare, say because they go collect goods under false pretense from one man wey the man name be Christopher Chukwuma for Ijebu North local government area. For on top this video, where they see the ogbonge Nigerian actress wey be Ngozi Ezeonu don come dey provoke, come dey tell 2 ladies that wey say they dress anyhow come her audition set. As she come dey talk, say anybody wey go dress again like this take come her audition set, come even open breast, come dey show pointed groundnut. Say that person him go pursue dem take comot, to say because he no want make dem come dey show pointed groundnut, come dey use am dey deceive directors dem and producers dem. Now on Wednesday, January 15, 2025, now she come out come yarn this warning.
Day I'm on any audition table and I see a lady dressed like turn, 2 of you. Turn, look at them. And anybody comes in dressed like this, I will disqualify that person. How can you come to an audition ground without a bra? With your propped up top. It's wrong.
The Edo State Calabar Police Command on January 15, 2025, wey be on Wednesday, don carry this 24-year-old undergraduate wey her name be Rita Ogbolute go court after she go drag policeman for uniform wey Igbo dey call assault. And I don't know if say police people that they do their duty, stop and search. Now this spaghetti happen, and now 5 count charges now in they put for on top Rita where she go face for court.
When this man came, he was just trying to ask what the problem is. So I got angry and yes, then the shoulder, this thing said the button to people.
That's the rank. You don't know.
The United States of America don't come ban transgender men. We say men will turn to women, and also transgender women. They will say na women. We say they turn to men. Say they not go compete again for inside women's sport. And now the state speaker of parliament will be Mike Johnson. I come out come yarn this talk on top their eggs.
Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.